Well, hello folks. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how to make a color splash effect in Photoshop. So the first thing I want to do is import your picture. Here I already have a picture, and the next thing I want to do is unlock your layer and then press Ctrl J. After that, you need to press Ctrl U and make the saturation all the way down. Press OK. So the next thing you want to do is go to layer mask and press refill all. So the next thing you want to do is go to the brush tool and then draw your object. Make sure it's on the black so it's conceal your picture. So remember that black is to conceal the drawing and the white is to reveal. So make sure you're working on black so that you conceal the object. And you can just use a shortcut, just press X and then it just change the color. So we're done here. The next thing you want to do is just make it the brightness and contrast. Just adjustment brightness and contrast. Just play with it so that your picture looks more better. Okay, so we'll put it on here. I think that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.